Here we go. Tornado at M&D's. First ride of today for us, but yeah. Let's go. Tornado, baby. Actually a little bit scared, but I'm not too bothered. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, baby. That's sick. Here we go into the loop. Into the loop. Here we go. Bit rough, bit rough. Oh yeah, come on. Oh, my glasses almost came off. Hilly legs, hilly legs. Whoa. Not too bad. Hilly legs, hilly legs, hilly legs, hilly legs. Ah! And into the brakes.